We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. continuing to fight to hold support. And it wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 9:40 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are at MULLEN stock fighting to hold support. Had a big jump up here at the open, pulled back down, and we're going to talk about the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow, what's going on with the inflow versus outflow, and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our AMD bot. Our AMD bot sent out a bull indicator at 9:35 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. doing a full transition from the dip area, as I call it, of white with red borders to dark green bars, after doing a full transition here from the bright green bars, as I call it, the rip area, to multiple dip areas. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. under a bull indicator here at around the 13-cent area. First bull indicator that pops up since the bear indicator from up here at around the 15-cent area, and full transition from the rip area to the dip area in the last 3 days, right? And today it has seemed to level off and fought to stay here above the 12-cent area, a key support level that we talked about in our previous videos as we were pulling downwards. And it's now trying to fight here, and it's going to be crucial and critical for this bull indicator to hold true, not get canceled by a bear indicator, and in the process for these inflows to pick up here on the 30-minute, because in the recent volatility and even recent highs, inflows never picked up, guys. Yes, it got a bull indicator at around 10-cent area, full strength there all the way up to 31 cents, and back down when it was fighting here. It got a bear indicator, multiple rejections there at 24-cent area, and has been pulling downwards ever since, right? It was trying to hold the support here in the last several days and weeks of 13-14 cent area, and now it is down here fighting to hold the 12-cent area of support. And not only that, when you zoom into the 15-minute, we could see within the volatility inflows trying to pick up here since yesterday at the lows, but it has not crossed the midpoint just yet, guys, right? You could see that space there. These inflows need to come up, and they're currently negative at 0.0003. Now, really close to the midpoint as you see it when we zoom out, but still below it even though it's green, and it's under a bear indicator here at the 13-cent area that needs to get canceled, and these inflows need to pick up to go ahead and reflect any possible further strength to the upside and retesting of key resistance levels. Now, the highest level that it reached today in the volatility was 14 cents, and that was a key area of resistance in the previous days as we see it, right? And that's the previous support that it was trying to hold, and it rejected right off of it. Definitely something to not ignore there in the volatility of the 15-minute. Now, when we go ahead and look at this from the 30-minute, the first key support level I would watch is down towards 12-cent area. If these outflows continue to the downside here on the 30-minute and on the 1 hour, the next support I'll be watching is the 10-cent area. And then below that is the 8-cent area. So those are the key levels I'll be watching to the downside that are crucial and critical. Now, to the upside, it's going to be critical and crucial for these 15-minute inflows to continue green, but eventually go ahead and cross over the midpoint and actually start to reflect that strength into these charts. Cancel out this bear indicator up here at the 13-cent area with a possible bull indicator. Reflect that strength over into the 30-minute as well to continue pushing up higher and retesting key resistance levels. Having this bull indicator here at the 13-cent area not get canceled. If not, continue to hold true and dominate over the chart. And the first resistance is the 14-cent area. And then above that, if these inflows can continue to push up towards the midpoint or even cross it, the next resistance is the 16-cent area. And then above that, I'll be watching the 18-cent area. So these are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial and critical, but these inflow versus outflows, I would not ignore them. How close it is here on the 30-minute and also the 15-minute as we see it here to the midpoint. And on the 30-minute, it's currently red, but it has room to try to go higher. So definitely something to not overlook here within the volatility of the charts. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. So if you made it this far into the video and you are a swing trader or looking to gain an edge when it comes to swing trading, you're definitely going to want to check this out. And this is our new swing bot that will be fully released really soon. And so far it has sent 2 notifications in the last several days, right? The first one, as you see it popping up there, was Nvidia on Friday of last week at around $444. And the other one was Tesla yesterday in the pre-market, and from yesterday to today, and even yesterday alone, it ran up nearly $10 plus. Now, when it comes to the Nvidia one, you could see it popping up there on the screen. I shared the chart yesterday, and I also circled an area, as you see it there in the chart, how it kept on bouncing off that support and trying to hold above 444. And then I put a line across when that notification came in. And now you're seeing this other chart, which I shared today in the pre-market. And I stated, right, you could see the same line there. And I put the swing bot notification there at around the 444 area. It was already opening up from yesterday to today at 449. And I talked about in that purple area, the area that kept on acting like support. And there was a strong resistance in the pre-market and previous days at the 452 area. And the bulls would need to break through that for possible continuation. Not guaranteed, but it was important, and inflows needed to cross. Now, when you see it here in the next chart, going into the open, it was broken through, bull indicator popped up, and then inflows crossed over. And you could see the purple area that continued to act like support. And Nvidia calls were up nearly 100% plus with the swing notification bot since it was sent out, right? And you can see that blue line again where that notification was sent at that after hours on Friday. So this is our new swing bot. If you take a look at Tesla too, it sent it out at around the $256 area, and Tesla went to highs here of nearly $270 in the last 2 days, and it was sent out yesterday in the pre-market, right around this area, and the full move. So typically with these swing bots and the notifications that come in, they're there to add perspective. Nothing's guaranteed, but the goal is for it to add perspective. Take a look for possible support levels and bullish confirmations of a reversal, and from there it typically pans out within several days to weeks, but sometimes it can happen this fast within 1 or 2 days. And when it does, I typically tend to make a rational decision because maybe my goals and strategy and expectations have been met, right? I don't want to get too greedy either, but I wanted to share with you guys our new swing bot that's going to be notifying directly into our Discord on high probability opportunities based off specific criterias and dip areas of wire Fred borders, as I call them, on multiple time frames and other criterias to confirm of the possibility of it looking like a possible support or area to not ignore for a possible swing of a reversal. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.